Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do an unboxing for Shimmerz paint. I have got the June color kits, paper kits, and bonus bundle because I'm a lucky girl. So you guys, I don't give myself permission, which is maybe odd, to go through things till I go through them with you. So let's see what we have. Now, the first thing that's drawing my eye, I'm gonna have us. Oh gosh, I got something on my new sweatshirt. I'm gonna take a look at these color kits. So with the color kits, we get 5 mixed media products. And let's see, there's there's 2 new colors this month. Ooh, okay. To start, we have a spritz in the color sapphire. You guys, look at that. I can't wait to spray it. And I'll make a swatch sheet for us before we go on to the color kits. Then I've got Meet Me at Sunset, and that is an Inklings. Meet Me at Sunset. So these little guys that have great like pearlescent quality, you just add a little bit of water to them, and then they'll be ready when you are. And what I do, you guys do however you want. I always flip them over and write the name with my little tiny Sharpie on the back. So I'll do that before I spritz it and test it. But gorgeous, bright, happy color. Then I've got a royal purple Shimmerz. Shimmerz already has the liquid in them. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Already has the liquid in them. I'll mix it up and we will get a gorgeous swatch, but that is pigment. So the liquid's already in them. They're ready to go. And the great thing is if you do splatters with them, they have texture. I love that. Now, we have 2 new colors. We have a Berry Sassy. So this is a new color. It's a colorings. It's called Berry Sassy. And we have Plum Perfect, which is also a Shimmerz. Ooh, I have to mix it up. So let's go ahead and take a look at, oh, that's pretty. Okay, that is so awesome. Let me also show you really quickly the bonus bundle, because the bonus bundle has a set of sequins. Ooh, they have the flowers I like so much in them. Okay, very excited. So they come with a set of sequins. Let me see. Oh, I need a little sequins tray for this. I have 2 kind of on the go, but I will get that in a moment. No, I'm gonna get it now so we can pour it out. So they come with a set of sequins, and hold on. I use these things. This is what I call a sequins tray, guys. If anybody wants to know, these are great. These are the Dollar Tree. So it's like $1.25 or whatever the Dollar Tree currently is. And they're really great because they have these squared off edges. So they work perfectly for pouring things back in your packages. Okay, let's go ahead and give ourselves a visual. There's still a bunch in the package, but this should get me going. So absolutely gorgeous. And these little flowers that I was getting a little too giddy about, they have a little bendy in them. So their little petals stick up a little bit on your page and they give you dimension where you might not have it. Ooh, I also see seashells, little tiny hearts, and just like metallic-y, sparkly bits. So pretty. Okay, and the creamies is in the color called Paradise Punch. And same exact thing, you spread some water on it, so it's gonna be ready when you are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop off camera for a moment. I'm going to write on the back of these, Está. I'm gonna give them a spritz, and then I'm going to, not a spritz like this, I'm going to give them a sip of water. And I'm going to swatch them so that we can see how well they go with our color kits. Okay, so background change because I got my little mixed media mat out, but look at this palette, guys. And yes, I know I've got a couple of them that are still wet, but there is some serious saturation here. And it totally is like fairy tale to me, but we'll see what the papers are and what we get to work with. But I'm getting very excited about spending my day, kind of starting my first video. So let's start with the papers. And we can keep this handy dandy so you guys can see. Maybe I don't know, maybe I'll go like that so you can see the colors. I also made myself an exquisite little mocha for my crafting day. Rather excited. Okay, yum, yum, yum. So this one looks like a sweater print almost, or a textile. So we've got kind of that royal purple and white. Ooh, that is so fun. Okay, so we've got lots of the colors in the collection on white with a star motif. Okay. Now our next one, super pretty. Once again, you know, I mean, these kits are so beautifully curated. I don't know. Oh, I think it goes that way. So we've got all of these florals and like one color blends into the next. And then, ooh, this is a great background. We've got kind of a textile thing again with really simple mixed media look. Okay, now this one, incredibly saturated, looks like the Berry Sassy paint that we have with some X's on the bottom. Oh, and pluses on this side. Oh my, okay. Now we've got that really gorgeous sapphire blue again. We've got really prominent splatty bits. You guys, you can make this so fun. You have these splatties, right? Then you can splatter on top of it with your color kits and get different texture and dimension from doing that. It would just be such a like a dramatic ta-da. Oh, and this is so pretty. Look at these. So gorgeous florals, sapphire background on white. Ooh, 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 okay. All right, now this is gorgeousness. All kinds of flowy color just going into each other with a little bit of stark white. And you can have it read any way you want. That is fun. Oh, my Atlanta. This is my favorite paper on front and back. I love a diagonal stripe formatting layouts. It's my fave. But they had to do this. So absolutely perfect, gorgeous piece of paper. Love. Now this one has a lot more of the Berry Sassy color, but we've got this black floral peeking out on two edges. Very interesting. And then the back side, it's the sapphire color with white squiggles. I am loving this side though, so that's what we're doing for now. And then we have got a gorgeous deep, deep yellow with florals in the Berry Sassy color. Oh, and this is fun. Flip side is white with Berry Sassy circles. And they're just kind of on the wonk. I mean, it's fun because it's not perfect, you know, like perfectly like clean. So pinky on pinky. That is a stunning, gorgeous piece of paper. Oh, and then this side looks textile-y again, and it is like deep yellow and yellow. So we're really bringing in that meet me at sunset vibe. And my last piece has all kinds of different stripes, much wider. Oh, and this is great. So like the Berry Sassy, but it's pink on pink, tone on tone. Nice. We do have an alpha, and I'm going to take it right out of the packaging because the moment I'm done recording, I will be going right to creating because that's what I like to do. So we have got, these are Color Theory alphas. Let's see. And they are very metallic silver. Very cool. Okay, so we have a little silver metallics brought in. Now for our coloring sheet, and this is what I'm going to get done, you know, in my next video. We've got all kinds of things. We've got a cute little goose, a camera, an Archie rainbow kind of thing. We have got this canister with florals, another thing with florals, butterflies. Oh, we have 3. I love multiples. Oh, books to have kind of on this vibe. We've got a bumblebee, a cute little birdie, a ladybug, and a heart. Oh, I can't wait. And this paper takes our color really well. I don't even gesso it. I think it's fun. We've got a set of dots. We've got tone on tone with that really gorgeous pink. You are amazing. And then these plus signs or X's, depending on how you put them, in the gorgeous blue. Fun. Now let me get a little tray out so we can look at the die cuts. And they're already die cut for you. They are good to go. And this will help me kind of pick what photos I want to use. I don't know what I want to use yet. I did get a ton printed in 4x6, which I don't normally do. So I'll just like go on through and see what sparks joy. Okay, excellent. We have got a paper clip. Let's see, a butterfly. It's like that, but dinky. Another paper clip. Okay, both of these look like they're glittered, but you know, it's not, so that's fun. We've got a floral. A floral. Guess what? A floral. And then focus on the good. Well, of course. So I'm going to try to have some wordy bits up here. I always like doing that. I kind of organize them out, and then when I craft, I'm good to go. A nice circle. Another butterfly that looks glittery. Radiate happiness. Today. Oh, these are fun. So they're little corner pieces. Okay. Got little corner pieces. Follow your dreams. What's this? Choose kindness. Look at the little happy guys. Cute. Oh, the rest of the corner pieces. Got it. Oh, that's fun. Remember, we have got a glittery looking rainbow. A bunch of hearts. The most gorgeous cloud. Come on now. That's getting popped up. And another cloud to go with it. A heart. Cute little square guy. Some film strip pieces. Oh, what a great embellishment. And it brings in this great pop of black, which will play off these guys. Another floral. We have got a bow. We have got inspire. You are amazing. Another bow. Here's a circly bit with a glitter looking heart. Another heart. Nice. A butterfly. Floral. Another butterfly with stripes. A pinky butterfly. I'm sorry, pinky floral with that really dramatic black. We have got a heart, a fab floral, and let's see, a half circle, and you are enough. Don't forget that. What, of course. So that's what we have, guys. Now, I am going to have links down below for you guys to subscribe to the Kitz, for you guys to go to the blog, see everything that the design team has come up with, and for the Facebook group, because we want to see what you are creating. It's so fun to see what other people do with the same product. I'm always going, oh my gosh, I should have done that. So it's great when we can all just inspire each other. I think it's so fun. So guys, that's what I have for you today. Oh, and when you guys make an order, put my name in the comments to score a freebie, because we like freebies. So that's what I have for you guys today. I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.